Hello guys, so very welcome to you. And what I have been doing for some time is that I am looking at how these all the channels, so LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and your Instagram. So all these channels, how they are actually working the intern, what has changed really into the algorithms, right? So it has always been my passion to actually understand what is the social networking sites feel important. Okay, it started from how Google feels important and how they build that search engine, and whether they trust the backlinks more, whether they trust the page rankings of the backlinks more, or those are the kind of thing that is how I started this journey. And while doing the user experience and usability testings and all, so I started to think about why these social experiments are necessary, and how they are actually leveraging. Okay, so for doing that, I am right now analyzing, and I have started to understand. Okay, so what has really changed in this ecosystem. So a funny experiment I did is that I created a bunch of small accounts, professional accounts, and all. So in very different segments. So I created accounts in the shopping segments, where you share some of the shopping and those related things. And then I created a account in the actors, models, and those like fan pages kind of stuff. So that I created, and then I created some educational kind of a stuff that I created. And also this is the site, this is a real thing. And so I created this 3-4 dummy accounts in different genre, and tried to understand what really is happening, how customer sentiments are happening, and what by default. See, the thing is that what I have created is that similar stuffs, similar experiment across the genre, and see now why certain things work in certain way, right? And how Insta actually I will talk about Insta currently. So how Insta is actually trying to see these things. Okay, so first and foremost, I have not tried the reels aspect of it. Okay, I have tried it, but I have not done that much into the reels. Okay. And one thing I realized is reels are not only to success, leads to success. It was very unusual of what Insta is trying to say for certain times. Okay, somehow the content is still very important. Okay, what kind of content you are doing? So yeah, Reels has a more reach because they want to give you videos and those kind of stuff. But at the same time, all Reels are not the same, right? So I had been also analyzing all these influencers accounts and how these things are performed, right? So what is clearly panning out is one simple thing for me, is that the saves. Right, the number of saves you have, your site's ability, your page's ability to generate continuous suggestions from the Insta to the users grow. Right, so that has been a significant thing that drives these things. Okay, let me help you understand. So I may show some of the screenshots. So what is really happening is that I will give you a couple of examples. So there is this fan pages account, right? In that fan pages account, I was getting continuous like no, likes and continuous follows, right? So I started to understand, because I have not posted it daily, right? So I am keeping this very uh, niche, very subtle, very. I'm not making it, trying to make it a no, like no, like very popular kind of a thing, which active, which is active very much, and this kind of stuff. Because see, I am a user experience researcher, and I understand that now. So how user behave normally, how the accounts are, most accounts are normally, okay, and can we actually no, impact that, because all people are not good content creators, right? So they are not consistent, right? And this is not their first job. So a lot of content creators are influencers, and a lot of influencers are doing it for full time, and no, or maybe a majority of time they are giving to this. But a lot of us who are having different jobs and no, different things, and we are trying to fit in, right? So we, and most of our let us take small businesses, and those people, they are trying to sell their products, they are trying to no, do those kind of stuff, and that is how the normal accounts are, okay. And if something is working for the normal account, so that should be the baseline for certain things, okay. So let us consider how it is working in both the consistent input and non-consistent, okay. So in this one I was talking about, so there is two experiments that I did. So one with lots of travel pics, and one with lots of games, and one with a lot of the actress and actors pics, right? So that's how no, I started experimenting, and one with a lot of male models, right? So that is how I tried to understand all these different kind of things. Okay, so let's see how it pans out. So the account with the female actress or the male model was working really good. Okay, so why is that? Then I realized, so it is not about that particular account. So there has been a lot of accounts, a lot of fan pages. Okay, people build a lot of fan pages. You will see are not continuously generating this thing. They do not have a big follower base. They do not have those kind of thing. Okay, so posted that different figurines, and I did different models, different actresses, and one I figured out is that so it worked because people are saving these pictures, right? So whenever I posted about no, certain actress, I will not name because you will see the popularity of people, different people. Okay, so what they are doing is that, so they are actually saving that more. So in certain photographs, it is like it is like half of the stops, and in certain photographs, at least it is 7%. Okay, so that is the kind of a thing that what I have seen is that is driving this thing. And if it is saved, right? So there are not for some photographs which are not saved, right? So if it is saved, it is getting, it is getting more and more of the your circulations, right? So if it is, even if it is liked So let us take the percentage. So it is basically the percentage. Okay. So let us take it is 50%. So it is showing more, right? It is driving that thing. So what we are creating is that a content that should be savable, right, by some people. So some people also, what I have understood, so I started understanding what I am saving also, right? So am I saving the actress photographs? Am I saving something else? Am I watching more of these kind of videos, or am I saving the educational contents and those kind of stuff? So what I've seen is that I am saving a lot of educational contents. Okay, so that's me. That's a different thing. So some other people are saving a lot of these heroines and heroes photographs. So a lot of girls are also saving the model photographs, so male model photographs, right? And a lot of people are saving these travel, exhausting travel photographs, right? And then a lot of people are saving this home, this decor, and these kind of photographs. So that is a very crucial thing that I understood in this experiment over the months, is that now the saves actually happen because the content is savable. Okay, and why a content is savable, that we will talk in a different um, like thing, okay, in a different discussion, different video. But here what I am trying to actually say is the save is very important rather than your likes for a future lifetime follow. Because the more the save is there, the more the follow is growing. So it is not like more the this thing is there, this follow is growing. Okay. So in this account, if you will see tiny business advice, so what is actually happening is post by me got surpassed by all those videos. Okay, a image by me surprised. So if you have seen the Jagannath's Nilatri Vijay photo, and so if you have seen that, if you have seen those photos, that photo actually performed a lot more because it was saved more. Quite surprising. At the same time also, so there are certain other pics that I posted with my face, right? So if you have seen, so I am posting with my face a lot of these things these days, and they are performing a lot better. And then there were like tips, okay, where I have given tips, and those were saved much more. Okay, so those are the kind. So those are photos. So those were not videos. So certain videos actually work a lot, and it can gain more viewership. But while if you see the follows and these things, okay, so you have to be consistent. That is one. But at the same time, so the content that they will save. Okay, so what content they save? So that is a question. Okay, that we will discuss in details. Okay, but currently what I am telling is about aesthetics.